Hi everybody, Miss Kate here with week 6 of our summer reading program's super quick science experiment. Now I believe on the papers that I sent home I had said something about doing a fire snake. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it to work. I'm hoping to still try it out at some other point because it's super cool. But for whatever reason, between the wind and the ingredients that I had, something just didn't work. So I had to scratch it for now. We'll hopefully come back to it later. But for today, I've got a super simple one that you guys can actually duplicate because the fire snake would have been a little bit dangerous. So first of all, I have 2 empty bottles. There's still some dribbles of water in there. And what I'm going to do is take 2 balloons and put them inside of the bottles. But don't drop them, okay? So don't get ahead of me. Don't drop the balloons in there. You're going to put it in there, and then you're going to wrap it around the top like so. Okay? So you've got a little hole there. And then your balloon is dangling inside the water bottle. And I'm going to do the same thing with my other one. And I'll have to see if you can notice a difference, because there is a big difference. And I will explain why they're different. Okay, same thing. I've got a purple balloon and a green balloon. I'm going to start with the green balloon to see if you can see. Now I'm also going to make myself look a little bit like a fool because I'm going to try to blow these balloons up. Okay, here we go. I'll turn sideways, see if you can see anything. Did it blow up? Did it inflate at all? To me, I can see a little bit of air go in it, but it doesn't actually inflate. Okay, so that was the green balloon. And here is my purple balloon that I might have done a little bit of tampering with the bottle. Ready? Did you see that? Let's make sure. Got my balloon on there good. Here we go. Ready? That one inflated though, didn't it? It took a little bit more breath. Okay, so I'll tell you my secret. This water bottle has no hole in the bottle. So with this balloon in there and the top being sealed off by the top of the balloon, there's nowhere for the air that's already in the bottle to go. So I can't put air in the balloon because there's no more room in here. It's full. But this bottle, I don't think you'll probably be able to see it. But I nailed, oh yeah, you can see a little bit. I took a hammer and a nail. Well, first I filled this bottle up with water because it's a little bit easier to hammer it if it's full of water. If it's empty, it kind of just collapses and rolls around. So I filled it up with water, capped it tight, and just put a little hole toward the bottom of the bottle. Now, what that does is it moves the air that's in the bottle out of this hole so that the balloon has room to fill up with air. Okay, does that kind of make sense? It's called displacement. Now, another really cool thing about this, you can see right in there, right? So what I'm going to do is blow it up again and then show you a little magic trick. Ready? Big breath. Do you see? You can see, oh, I almost broke it. You can see inside of the balloon. Let me try to get a good picture of it in there. And it's still inflated because I'm covering the hole that I made with my finger. So now this is keeping that balloon inflated because there isn't any air going back into the bottle to push the air out of the balloon. So I don't have to cover this. There's nothing. I can put my finger right inside of the balloon because there's no air coming in that hole to displace the air in the balloon until I go. How cool is that? I thought that was a really cool trick. And like I said, you should be able to do it. You'll want a parent's help with the hammer and nail because the bottle does roll. I had to have my husband help me out. He held the bottle while I hammered it real quick. But same thing. I mean, this is no hole in it. And I can get a little bit of air in there, but it doesn't really inflate, right? That's as far as I can get, I promise. I tried really hard. But this one, with that little hole in the bottom, you can fill right up. takes a lot of air, so take breaks in between and get some breath. But you should be able to do it. I took 2 of the exact same bottles so that you could see the process clearly and everything. But you could try it with different bottles, different shapes, and see if it works the same, or if maybe you could fill it further. I can't get any more air in there, though. I've tried. I almost blacked out here. But you've got an inflated balloon that the air is not coming out of. So I thought that was pretty cool. Couple of bottles, couple of balloons, hammer and a nail, and someone to help you hammer that nail into the bottom of the bottle. So just be safe with the hammer and nail, but this is a really fun one to try out at home. I wonder if we filled it with water. I don't know how that would work. Interesting. Okay, so give it a try. Let me know if you have any different results, and I would love to see your creations. All right, I let go. All right, have fun. Show me your products, and I would love to hear how you liked it. See you soon. Bye.